Actually, satisfying. Hello everyone, this is Juline and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm very sorry if medyo natagalan ako mag-upload ulit kasi medyo busy lately, but tonight we are making another vlog. Let's go! So tonight guys, we are going to open this big present. So this is from Mama Leonie. Thank you, Ma! And also thank you, Papa Randy, for helping us pick up this gift. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And let's start unboxing this gift. Let's go! Satisfying. Cute. Again. I wanna be. We should try doing this.
finally, we started using our washing machine. So, today, nag-load kami ng aming mga pants. Yung mga denims namin, pants and shorts, yung mga jeans. So, what's good in this washing machine is there is a button na jeans. So, once you press this one, yan, yung jeans, automatic na siya magsiset ng time, including yung wash, rinse, and spin. So, you don't need to click or press the other buttons manually kasi siya na mismo nagset ng time dahil sinet mo na siya for jeans. And then, what's good in this washing machine is that we can use powder and liquid detergent. Yan. And then, naglagay na rin kami ng downy or ng softener, yung glue. And then, later, after matapos yung time, kasi kanina, this is 57 minutes. Nakalimutan namin i-video nung pag-start, but that's fine. So, 57 minutes, yung natitira na lang ngayon is 35 minutes. Ayan siya. So, after, pag maubos na, matapos na yung time, ready na siya i-hang. So, this is what's good in this washing machine is you can load, and then you can cook breakfast, you can take a bath, so you can do multitasking. So, thank you, Mama!